Okay, now is the interface of DALI BMS. It shows the battery is full. No error. No error happen. This is the setting I never changed. Previously succeeded. The system can run almost a week. This is the battery setting. My battery is 200 Ah a piece for 3.2 volt. This is board setting. I do not change. This is temperature setting. And this is another setting. Come back to the front. So looks like the battery is okay.